Welcome friends to One Stop Java Solutions. I am Snehasis and today I am going to show you a given integer number is palindrome or not. Okay, so first you have to understand what is palindrome number. Okay, so suppose first I am creating here a class. Okay, so I am creating here a class and giving the palindrome number check. Okay, and save it and also public static void main include it. Okay, so okay is done. So first you have to understand what is the palindrome number. Suppose 1 2 3. So if we check the number 1 to 3 and if you write it in a reverse order like 3 to 1, so these two are not equal, so this is not a palindrome. Okay, in case of string, suppose MADM, so if you reverse this string, so you also get MADAM, so both are same. Okay, so from the front means left to right, if you check, and right to left if you write the string, if both are same then it is a palindrome string. Okay, so for number also, suppose 1 to 1, so if you reverse this number then you also get 1 to 1, so both are same, so this is a palindrome number. Okay, so you have to check a number is palindrome or not. So for that, first you have to take an integer input. Okay, so for that I am writing system.out.println, and here I am writing enter an integer. Okay, and to read an integer from a console, the easiest way to use the scanner class. So if you use scanner class, you can, the easiest way you can take the input from console. Okay, so for that you have to create a scanner object. Scanner sc equal to new scanner, and as an argument you have to pass system.in, because it will take the input from console. Okay, so for that I am writing system.in, and scanner class is java.util package, so you have to import this package as well, java.util.scanner. Okay, so once you read the integer input from console, what you have to do, you have to store this integer in a integer variable. So int, suppose number equal to, or you can write a, int a equal to sc dot next int. Okay, so whatever input you will provide from console, it will take the input, scanner class will take the input and stored in this a variable a. Okay, which is an integer variable, and I am taking another integer I, and I am copying the original value to this integer. Okay, I equal to a, and now what you have to do, so you can do one thing, you first reverse the string. Okay, so first you whatever input you have provided from console, that integer number, just reverse the integer number. Okay, so for that what you will do, using while I greater than 0, what I will do, temp equal to, okay, temp equal to temp start 10. So here you have to declare one temp variable, int temp equal to 0. Okay, so temp equal to temp star 10, then plus I mod 10. So I will explain what this line will do. Okay, and I equal to, what I am doing, I equal to I by 10. Okay, I equal to I by 10. And outside this loop, so this is the while loop. So while I greater than 0, that means suppose I am giving an input 1 to 1. Okay, so it's greater than 0. So if it's greater than 0, then what it will do, initially temp equal to 0, so temp start 10, that means 0 plus I mod 10. So if you divide, if I divide 1 to 1 by 10, then what would be the remainder? That is 1. So that 1 should be stored in the temp. Okay, then what I am doing, I equal to I by 10. So what would be the I value? Now I value should be 121 by 10, that means 12. As it is an integer, so 12.1, 0.1 it will discard, so it will store 12 to integer value I. Okay, so 12. In the next iteration, what would be done? So it will check I greater than equal to yes, 12 greater than 0, so it's true. Then what it will check? It will check that it will check temp equal to temp star. So current previous temp value, what is the previous temp value? That is 1. Okay, so it will 1 start 10 plus I by 10, that means I by 10, I mod 10, that means 2. So it will store 12. Okay, so next iteration is will 12. So temp equal to first iteration, temp equal to 0, temp equal to 0, and I equal to 1 to 1. Suppose next iteration, what would be the temp value? Temp value would be 1 and I value should be 12. And in next iteration, temp equal to temp start 10 plus I mod 2, so that would be 12 and I would be 1. And the next iteration, I greater than equal to 0, yes, true. Temp equal to 12 start 10, 1, that means 120 plus I mod plus I mod plus I mod 10. I mod 10 means 1, so that means 120 plus 1, 121. Okay, so in this way you can reverse the integer input. Okay, and once it's done, outside the loop you can just check if temp equal to I. Okay, that means the reverse number, whatever the reverse we are checking, if the reverse number is equal to the original number or not. If it is equal, then we can say, okay, sorry, okay, then we can say number is palindrome. Number is palindrome. If it is not, else we can say number is not palindrome. Number is not palindrome. Okay, so now if you execute this and give an integer, suppose 1 2 3, so it is no, number is not palindrome. Okay, and if you give 1 to 1, it is number is palindrome. And also here you can just before it you can print one line that reverse number. Okay, so whatever I am doing means the reverse number, if you want to print that number, reverse of number, so here you can print the reverse of number and plus 3. Okay, so if I give 1 2 3, then reverse number is 3 to 1, so this is not equal to the original number, so that is, this is not palindrome. Okay, and if you give 1 to 1, then you can see the reverse number is 1 to 1, so both are same, so that is the string is palindrome. Okay, So this is the logic. So what it's doing, that first check while I equal to means until the number is greater than 0, it will what it will do, it will in the temp variable it will just multiply whatever values of 10 with 10 and add the number by 10. Okay, so if you give 121, so first you can see here, so it will check 121 is greater than equal to 0 or not. If it is greater than, then it will in temp variable it will store initially temp equal to 0, so 0 start 10 plus I mod 10, that means 121 by 10 equal to 1 by 10 equal to, sorry, mod 10 equal to 1. So that will store in the temp variable, and I equal to, each time we are dividing the number by 10. So 121, so first 121 is stored in the I, in the second step it will 12, and third step it will be 1. And similarly we are incrementing 10, 10 we are multiplying temp with 10, so that means if it is 1, then it will next step it will, as we are using decimal system, so if you multiply by 10, so if it is a 12, then 12 into 10, that means 120 plus 1 equal to 121. In this way you will get the reverse number. Okay, so hope you understand this logic. So thanks for watching this video. Also subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon, so that in the next time while I am uploading the next video, you will get the notification.